Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Nelatur. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 5.3 problems related to chapter 5, comparing quantities using proportion. Let us start 9th question in exercise 5.3. I borrowed 12,000 rupees from Prasad at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded annually, what extra amount would I have to pay? Solution. At simple interest. Simple interest on 12,000 rupees at 6% per annum for 2 years is equal to PTR by 100. Here P means 12,000 into R means 6 into time means 2 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. After multiplication we get 1,440 rupees. At compounded interest, P is equal 12,000, R is equal 6% per annum, N is equal 2 years. A is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. P means 12,000 into 1 plus R means 6 by 100 whole power N means 2. Next step, 12,000 into 1 plus 2 3s are 250s are whole square. Next step, 12,000 into 51s are 50 plus 3, 53 by 50 whole square. That is equal 12,000 into 53 by 50, we can write 2 terms since power is 2. That is 53 by 50 into 53 by 50. Here 2 zeros cancel. After simplification we get 13,483 rupees 20 paisas. Next step, we have to find compound interest. That is called amount minus principal. 13,483.20 minus 12,000 rupees. That is called, after subtract we get 1,483 rupees 20 paisa. Therefore extra amount is equal to 1,483.20 paisa minus 1,440 rupees. After subtract we get 43 rupees 20 paisa. Hence I would have to pay to his all extra amount of 43 rupees 20 paisa. Next, 10th question. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increased at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. Solution. Principal is equal 5,06,000. Rate of interest 2.5% per hour. N is equal 2 hours. A is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Substitute P value 5,06,000 into 1 plus R means 2.5 by 100 whole square. Next step, 5,06,000 into 1 plus, here numerator and denominator multiple with 10, we get 25 by 1000 whole square. Next step, 5,06,000 into 1 plus 25 anja 25 40s whole square. Next step, 5,06,000 into 40 into 1 40 plus 1 41 by 40 whole square. Next step, 5,06,000 into 41 by 40, we can write 2 times because power is 2, that is 41 by 40 into 41 by 40 here. Here cancel the 2 zeros. After simplification we get 5,31,616 approximately. Next question, Kamala borrowed 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Solution. Principal is equal 26,400. Rate of interest is equal 15% per annum. N is equal 2 years. Because first we have to find amount for 2 years. After we can calculate remaining 4 months. So A is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. that is called P means 26,400 into 1 plus R means 15 by 100 whole power n means 2, that is called 26,400 into 1 plus 5 3s are 5 20s are whole square, that is called 26,400 into 21s are 20 plus 3 23 by 20 whole square, that is called 26,400 into, here 23 by 20 we can write 2 times because power is 2, that is 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. Here cancel the 2 zeros. After simplification we get 34,914 rupees. Next, simple interest on 34,914 at 15% per annum for 4 months. Here months convert into years, that is 4 by 12 year, that is 4 1s are 4 3s are, that is called 1 by 3 year, that is called, in this case we can apply PTR by 100. P means 34,914 into R means 15 and time means 1 by 3 by 100, that is called, after simplification we get 1,745 rupees 70 paisa. Therefore required amount is equal to 34,914 rupees plus 1,745 rupees 70 paisa. After addition we get 36,659 rupees 70 paisa. Hence the amount that Kamala will pay is 36,659 rupees 70 paisa. Next, 12th question. Bharati borrows an amount of 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at a simple interest, and Madhuri borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? Solution. First we have to calculate Bharati amount with a simple interest on 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years. We know simple interest formula PTR by 100. P means 12,500 into R means 12% into time means 3 by 100. Cancel 2 zeros. After simplification we get 4,500 rupees. For Radha, P is equal 12,500, R means 10% per annum, N means 3 years, A is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. P means 12,500 into 1 plus R means 10 by 100 whole power N means 3. Next step, 12,000 into 1 plus 1010 cancel. After we get 1 by 10 whole cube. That implies 12,500 into 10 1s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole cube. Next step, 12,500 into 11 by 10 we can write 3 times since power is 3, that is 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Here cancel the 2 zeros. After simplification we get 16,637.50 rupees. Next, compound interest is equal A minus P. A means 16,637.50 minus principal means 12,500. After subtract we get 4,137 rupees 50 paisa. Difference between the simple interest and compound interest, that is equal 4,500 minus 4,137.50. After subtract we get 362 rupees 50 paisa. Hence Bharati pays more by 362 rupees 50 paisa. To 13th question. Machinery worth 1,000 rupees depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. Here depreciated means the value is decreased on original price with 5%. Solution. Principal means 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest 5%. Time, that is equal N is equal 1 year. A is equal P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power N. Generally in compound interest time we have to use plus symbol, but we are using here minus symbol because here amount is depreciated by 5%. Next step, P means 10,000 into 1 minus R means 5 by 100 whole power N means 1. Next step, 10,000 into 1 minus 5 1s are 5 20s are Next step, 10,000 into 21 ja 20, 20 minus 1, 19 by 20, 1010 cancel. After simplification, we get 9,500 rupees. Hence, the value of missionary after 1 year is equal 9,500 rupees. Next question, 14th. Find the population of a city after 2 years, which is at present 12 lakh if the rate of increase is 4%. Solution. Principal is equal 12 lakh. Rate of interest 4% per annum. N is equal 2 years because time is 2 years. Amount is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. That is equal P means 12 lakh into 1 plus R means 4 by 100 whole power N means 2. Next step, 12 lakh into 1 plus cancellation with the 4 table, 4 1 ja 425 ja whole square. Next step, 12 lakh into 25 1 ja 25 plus 1 26 by 25 whole square. Next step, 12 lakh into 26 by 25 whole square we can write 2 times because power is 2. 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. After simplification we get 12 lakh 97,920. Hence the population of city after 2 years is 12 lakh 97,920. Last question in this chapter, 15th question. Calculate compound interest on 1000 rupees over a period of 1 year at 10% per annum. If interest is compounded quarterly. Solution. As interest is compounded quarterly, so there will be 4 conversion periods in a year. So N is equal of interest for 3 months, rate is equal 1 by 4 into 10%. After simplification we get 2.5%. Therefore amount is equal P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. A is equal P means 1000 into 1 plus R means 2.5 by 100 whole power N means 4. 1000 into 1 plus a numerator and denominator multiple with 10 we get 25 by 1000 whole power 4. That is equal 1000 into 1 plus cancellation with 25 table 25 1 ja 25 4 ja 25 zeros ja whole power 4. Next step 1000 into 41 ja 40 plus 1 41 by 40 whole power 4. Next step 1000 into 41 by 40 we can write 4 times since power is 4. That is 41 by 40 into 41 into 41 by 40 into 41 by 40. Cancel 3 zeros. That is equal multiple the numerator part. Then we get 28 lakhs 25,761 by and denominator part as it is copy 40 into 4 into 4 into 4. After simplification we get 1,103 rupees 81 paisa. Therefore compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount means 1,103 rupees 81 paise minus 1000. To subtract we get 103 rupees 81 paise. Dear children, today home assignment is copy exercise 5.3 problems and practice one time in homework book, and we will start new chapter in the next session. Thank you.